Another thing here I have is my active items Gantt. So this is just my tasks that are active. This is not showing me those completed tasks that I went in and marked complete. We still have our Gantt chart here. Of course, we have our % complete, our start date and finish date when we hover over it, and then also who is assigned to it. And it's telling me that the summary task is 63% complete, and it's also showing me my predecessors as it goes down. If I want to see all items, I come in and see all the items in the Gantt along with the timeline here up at the top. And so now I can see exactly what's going on with my tasks. We've got these indicators down the side to say this is actually completed, this one's actually in progress, and then these have not started. If I just want to see the items in my Gantt, I can also just do my items, and this is just kind of my work. So I want to show you now, if we go up one level, I can use this navigation to go up one level. And so that's going back up to my Contoso Manufacturing Project Office. And so now I can see my new product launch has a start date and a finish date. And I've also got it on a Gantt based on what's going on. Actually, it's this one, sorry, creating a new wooden toys. So here is the timeline for my project, and here's my total % complete. And right now I have 10 late items because I do have my Microsoft project schedule that I set up that I have not set up completely. So it is showing me those late items. One of the